Hi, this is Troy with Endless Protector Solutions. Today we'll be performing a full front install on the Audi R8 using PremiumShield Elite SH film. This video will show you guys how to use the 60 and conserve material. When installing bulk film, you want to have the hood propped open. Stuffing towels under the hinges will raise the rear corners. This will help prevent moisture pockets and distortion at the rear of the hood. Tack the film at the rear corner and alternate side to side as you work your way forward. While stretching the front corners, pay attention to the areas around the wheel well and the front of the hood. Repeat the process in the front corners until these sections are finger free. Now you can start squeezing the hood. Normally I like to start at the rear edge of the hood, but for this install I went coast to coast. No two installs are the same, so it's important to read the film and adapt to techniques as necessary. Squeeze along the fingers and never cross them.